Hi guys, today we are going to prepare the burger with chicken. Over here I have already the burgers already cut in half. We have already some salad, some tomato sliced. This is some chicken that I already sliced and marinated already. We are going to use this butter for later. Eggs, breadcrumb, and the ingredients for the sauce. We have some sesame sauce, some spicy sauce from Portofino, and some mayonnaise sauce. And since I don't have cheap oil to fry, we're going to use extra virgin olive oil. Alright, so we're going with the chicken first. After you bread your chicken, you have to beat a little bit so it will all stick nicely.
Are you getting ready for the frying process?
Yep.
So what will you need? Just oil, a lined paper towel.
I need some extra virgin olive oil because I don't have the sunflower oil or any other cheaper oil. So yeah, I'm going to fry with extra virgin olive oil today. While the oil is heating up, we can prepare the sauce for the burger. So we need some mayonnaise, sesame sauce, dressing sauce, and to give a little bit of spicy, some Portofino sauce. So you can stand by. We have the butter. The oil is ready, so we're going to fry. The chicken has to be nice gold and crispy. Here we are.
How many minutes should they fry for?
Until the chicken is
Golden brown.
nicely golden. Yeah. This is our chicken, already fried, nice, crispy. And now we are going to toast our bun. Here we go. The base of the bun is already done, nicely crispy. We are going to put on the plate the upper part. Be careful, the fire not too strong, if not the bun will burn. Now that we have almost everything ready, let's go and assemble the burger. So we're going to put some sauce on the bottom part. After that, a little bit of plain salad. Here we have the chicken. I'm going to put the whole chicken, I'm not going to cut it up. One piece is more than enough. Some cheese only for myself, my fiancé cannot. Some slices of tomato. The upper part of the bun. Some more sauce on top. Here we are, thank you. Is our first burger.